Hello, with Larry Lemon.
Larry
Lemon. We're about to start up front.
Lady Spikers. Probably wore the wrong outfit facing them now. I'm so blue. Thanks, kids, for my leather sneaks. Good luck! Woo!
416. Lower box sections 212 to 216. Forward suites.
Recorded video.
Up front. It's April 1, April Fools. Hindi, bawal magkamali. Pero pag nagkamali, we'll just be like, Happy April Fools. Sabay pa.
Kumusta?
Welcome back!
Welcome back sa...
Upfront on Janina channel.
Oo. Sa channel ni Janina. HD ba tong channel
Yeah,
mo?
HD
FB
naman.
lang. Pay attention. Charot. Medyo magkahawig kami.
I see there is a joke.
Magkahawig
Yung
kami.
yung hair.
Oo.
Hi, Bea Escu. She's not moving.
Oo. Statue dance.
Mannequin challenge ba to? Hindi siya gumagalaw, oh.
Mukha naman siyang manikin. Kulay manikin din.
Literal. Dapat mannequin challenge.
Buluhin natin si Bea. Bea! Ang ganda mo.
She's not moving.
Joke lang yun ha. Baka maniwala ka maganda ko.
Okay na.
Sarot.
Hi, Bea! Kamusta ang green eyes natin?
Ayun, green
Still green?
Wow. Yeah. So, Bea, what's your strategy? Well, actually, ako yung first six.
Ano yung game plan natin ngayon?
Ikaw yung first six.
Si Kim B, hindi pa siya maglalaro. So, first set, ako muna daw sabi ni Coach Ramel.
All
Di
six
ba
ikaw.
taga-map?
Oh, ikaw taga-map.
Ako yung mopper.
Ang gandang mopper, grabe. Hi, Ryan Ong! Yay! He takes photos for LaSalle and Flav again! Yeah. About to start Adamson versus LaSalle.
Mag-start na tayo. Nasaan na ba si Father?
Oh my God.
Misa pala.
Let's join our hands. Bea,
Facilitator natin.
God, guide us please. Yan, maales-ales.
Goku Power Ranger.
Hello, fabulous coaches. I miss you guys. Where's Mish? Say hi. Okay. Can I get a hair flip? I love it.
Hi, Coach Air.
Hi.
So, how's the air in the Philippines?
How's the hair?
How's the air? The air in the Philippines.
The hair's great. Good Cherry.
Where's Michelle?
She has a game.
Oh, she has a game today.
Yeah.
How are you feeling about today?
I'm feeling good.
Hi, Coach.
Feeling good.
I missed you.
I miss you too.
We really bonded.
I know we did,
Yeah,
right?
we really bonded in our segment because we featured them for Upfront as well.
Yes. Oh, I gotta go shave their hair.
Hello! I met them since last season. They're fans of UAAP and Upfront. Yay! Who's your favorite team?
Favorite team?
Good luck!
Kaway kayo.
Shout out to all my friends out there.
Yeah, good luck. Buhay courtside.
Mama headshot na naman.
Actually, literal headshot. I like your new hair.
Thanks!
Ganda.
Oh, hello, Ira Pablo.
Proud
And
Filipino
Mickey
guest.
is kilikili. Naloka ko, hindi ko na-expect yun. Oh my God!
Pakilikili siya.
Hello. Ate Mex! So, she's our hair and makeup artist.
Ito story sa veteran makeup artist.
Yeah.
Hindi pa nauuso ang semento dito sa mundo, nandito na yan. Pawid pa lang ang mga bahay dito sa Pilipinas, nandito na yan.
Tito Star, what's your statement? Hi! Love it!
Yung tatay ni Fernando Po Jr. na may kapaneto.
Ganyan. May mga historical facts, diba?
Ayun. Alam niyo ba na in-invite si Tita Star sa
Hi,
debut ng Rosa
Angelina's
Rosa?
fans. Grabe to. So guys, we have a very special guest all the way from Disney Philippines.
Gosh, it disturbs me to see you, Gaston.
But you're Gaston.
Down in the dumps.
He's Gaston.
I'm especially good at expecting.
Ate Ox, may bago tayong talent. Gaston Rojas. Congrats, Gaston! Congrats, Coach! Congrats! Ano to? 2 na lang. Overtime. Player of the game, Don Macandini.
Wait lang, Janine. Ilang tweets pa, te? 6. O, sige.
April 1 ngayon. Thank you. Love you guys. Kain na. Thanks, Ate Cha. Umaati ka bong, Ate Cha. Pakakainin ko kayo mamaya. Thank you.
Happy birthday!
Kain tayo mamaya. Good luck. Surprise. Dahil dyan, bibili na ako ng pansit. So, paano nila ginawa ang aking surprise? Nag-tweet sila sa upfront. Hindi, yung upfront yung nag-tweet. Oh, love you, Ate Birthday! Thank you. Kakainin na natin ang cake. Thank you, Kuya Roy. Thank you, love.
Happy birthday!
Yay!
Birthday natin si Mom.